Talks, the science of what flows through you. This will be our first of many series on hematology special. This morning, I will start by giving you a small true life story of a couple that presented with this story. Beautiful story, but we have a lot to learn. And one of the key messages is don't jump into conclusion. Now, here is a gentleman who got married with all the fanfare to his heartthrob of many years. They went to the lab outside and did a genotype. The husband was genotyped as AA, and also the wife or potential bride was genotyped as AS. They had a beautiful ceremony, and 9 months later they were blessed with a baby girl. However, 6 months later, the baby woke up with a loud cry. She had these multiple painful swellings on her fingertips. She was hot, the temperature was high, and she continued to cry. And the mother took her to the hospital. The doctors did some tests, and of course, the baby's blood was checked. And the laboratory result came out. The baby was declared a sickler. Now you know where I'm going. Who owns the baby? Who owns this baby? They went to the hospitals. The doctor said it's impossible for a woman who is AS and married to an AA husband to deliver a baby that is SS. Could this be true? Could this be true? Welcome to Blood Talks, the science of what flows through us. I am your host, Professor Vincent. Follow me in part 2 for the solution to this mystery.